In this TubeTargeter review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to help you get laser targeted traffic from YouTube for pennies on the dollar. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the entire sales funnel with a bundle discount. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out TubeTargeter, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here, including software with reseller licenses. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, attention, what if you could target buyers only in YouTube ads while paying significantly less? New YouTube traffic loophole completely inaccessible to humans is now getting us thousands of clicks daily using our special AI software. Use our done-for-you video campaigns to instantly get traffic from this hidden loophole in a matter of minutes. So essentially what the software does is it allows you to get access to really cheap traffic and target really laser targeted videos on YouTube to put your ads on. They even have done-for-you ads so you don't have to record your ads. They have case studies for you. They've got a ton of proof here for them actually doing this, like getting like 3 cent per click traffic, 2 cent per views here. You can see different impressions and cost per view, money that they made doing this, actually doing this themselves. So if you've never done YouTube ads before, it's going to teach you. They're going to teach you how to do that as well. Plus, they have all the different software you need in order to get started doing this. I've actually personally made thousands of dollars in sales doing YouTube ads myself. I know they work, but you do need to make sure that you're targeting very well. If you just go out there and try to target everyone, you're going to have a hard time making sales. With this, you can target people that are specifically interested in your offers. Now they've got a ton of screenshots here, a ton of proof, ton of bonuses, but there are two different options here on the sales page. One's a commercial, one's an agency. The agency is going to give you, for a couple dollars more, it's going to give you a bunch more stuff here, plus the rights to, it's going to give you 25 reseller licenses with this as well. I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the bundle discount.
Hey friends, if you're starting a new website, an e-commerce or Shopify store, or probably an affiliate review site, and you're not getting tons of traffic, don't worry, because right away I'm going to be showing you how to use TubeTargeter to get tons of buyers traffic in 2022 and beyond. Let's dive in. Right here you can see our amazing dashboard for our brand new software TubeTargeter. To get started, we click on Discover and Video Search. So right here we're going to click on Discover and Video Search. Video Search is a powerful handle that can get you tons of traffic, tons of high targeted video in your niche. TubeTargeter has tons of video, but in this demo I'm going to be showing you how you can get tons of traffic from YouTube. When you click on Video Search, this is where you can input any keyword depending on the product you want to sell or depending on the business you're into. Just type the keyword and the software will go on to get you high traffic video in your niche. And these are the videos you're going to be putting your ads in front of. Now, this is how it works. When people go to YouTube and type a keyword, if what is typed is related to your ads, it will be listed out. For example, if you're into weight loss and you type in the keyword weight loss and select the amount of video, right here I'm going to type in weight loss and I'm going to select the amount of video I want. So for example, I'm going to be selecting 10 and I click on search. So what TubeTargeter is going to do, TubeTargeter will go search for high targeted videos around the niche for you to put your ads in front of them. You can see right here our result is being displayed. All these are monetized videos. You can see these videos were posted recently, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, these are videos you can start leveraging on to get massive traffic. You can see it has almost 400,000 views and over 6,000 likes and over 300 comments already just in 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, you can see these videos were highly targeted traffic in your niche. All you just need to do, you just have to tick on all and click on get URL. These are videos you can put your ads on right here. All these videos, it works for any niche depending on the niche you're on. Assuming you're into dog training, it's the same process. All you just need to do, come here and you type dog training, and you select the amount of videos you want, and you click on search. So right on the same process, you can see giving me all videos in my niche for dog training. You can see all these are for dog training. You can also see monetized video. Yeah, for example, this is over 200,000 views and over 6,000 likes and 200 plus comments in just 4 weeks. Yeah, or if you're into video marketing, is all the same process. All you need to do, you click on all, you can see it ticks all, and you click on get URL. That's it. Very simple. You see, in a matter of minutes, you can instantly uncover high volume traffic, videos that can display your ads on for fast traffic, leads, and sales. You can get high volume traffic, videos that's 100% targeted to your niche. This tool is very simple, and this is the easiest way to get buyers online in 2022 and beyond. Guys, what are you waiting for? Thank you so much.
Okay, so this is what the software looks like after you log into the members area. There are multiple upgrades here. Here's the premium upgrade. It's going to give you some more features with this. Let me show you real quick. It's going to give you an automatically upgraded dashboard, advanced video search functionality, easy video filtering options, built-in keyword research tool, upgraded channel research tool, tons and tons of extra things added in here for a one-time price here. This one looks like it is $77 for this one. The next one here is done for you campaigns. They got 50 pre-approved affiliate links, so you don't have to worry about if you're going to get approved or not. This one here is $97 for that one. Next one here is they're going to teach you how to get your links to like people with like million subscriber YouTube audiences. This one here is $77. Next one here, launch your own agency with this and start like selling this as a service to people. This one's $97. And the last one here is a reseller license. You can actually sell the software and keep 100% of the profits. And this is $297 for the unlimited licenses. Now, if you don't want to go through the sales funnel, you want to get a discount, they have a bundle here. So you can get a bundle upgrade. With this bundle upgrade, you get everything here. You get the front end offer here. You get all the different OTOs, the deluxe, the outreach, the done for you agency setup, the reseller license, everything for just $297. So instead of paying for everything, it would normally be $1,000 if you were going to go through the sales funnel and buy everything. With this, it's a super big discount on it. Of course, all the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about TubeTargeter and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, this is paid traffic. So just know the fact that if you're going to be doing this and you're going to be getting ads, you have to spend money to make money with this. Make sure you've got a budget of at least anywhere between $5 to $20 a day to start out. And then once you learn more, you can spend more. And once you start making money, it's not really going to matter. What do I like about this? Like I said before, I know that YouTube ads work. You need to have your targeting really well in order to make money with this. The whole thing with this is you put in $5 and you make more than $5. If you can do that, you can do it all day long and you can make as much money as you want. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at TubeTargeter, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.